At Radleys, we have decades of experience in producing reactors for scientific research as well as GMP production. These jacketed lab reactors, like our Reactor-Ready range, are designed to give users the best possible control over temperature, stirring, and other parameters such as pH. Excellent temperature control is achieved by surrounding the actual reaction vessel with a jacket. A circulator, also known as a temperature control unit, heats or cools the thermal fluid and pumps it around the jacket. A temperature probe in your reactor connects to your circulator, which allows you to digitally modulate the temperature of your thermal fluid in order to keep your reaction contents at your set point, whether that's plus 37, minus 60, or plus 160 degrees Celsius. We know that temperature fluctuations can quickly lead to batch failures for many processes, so we take extra steps like attaching sidearms at a tangent to the vessel with a large bore size to ensure excellent flow of the thermal fluid around the jacket of the vessel. This eliminates the risk of hotspots. Features like this are made possible by our in-house team of expert glassblowers who use high-quality borosilicate glass to ensure excellent reactor performance. Good stirring is key to making sure the contents of your reactor are the same temperature, whether that's at the 1 liter scale on a Reactor-Ready Flex or a 20 liter vessel in our Reactor-Ready Pilot. All our vessel kits include an impeller that is matched to the vessel. This means that you get the optimal dimensions and geometry for your particular setup. It also means that you can easily change the volume of your process by easily swapping out your vessel for one with the same geometry. Our reactors are designed to be flexible so that they can scale up or down with your project. Reactor-Ready Flex and Reactor-Ready Duo can accept vessels from 100 ml up to 5 liters without any changes to the framework. The Reactor-Ready Pilot framework accepts vessels from 5 liters all the way up to 35 liters. And for all of these reaction setups, vessels can be changed by hand with no tools required. We attach the circulator hoses to manifolds at the back, so these don't have to be tightened every time, and vessel jackets can be easily drained of oil. This means you don't need to fill your lab with separate frames for different reactor sizes. If you do want to have several reactors running in parallel, the Duo is a nice solution for getting 2 reactors on a very compact footprint. One of the reasons that people choose glass reactors for biopharmaceutical production is the ease of cleaning. All wetting components are glass, PTFE or FEP, which all have excellent chemical resistance. Vessels can be easily removed for cleaning and sterilization, or users may choose to do this in situ with a series of boil outs and rinses. This eliminates batch-to-batch contamination. Our zero dead space bottom outlet valves are another strength of our system. We seal the BOV with a piston within a precision bore glass tube rather than squashing the piston against the bottom of the vessel. This means we get a better seal that does not leak over long runs or across large temperature ramps. The best way to improve yield and minimize the risk of failure of a batch is to better understand the process. Our Ava software can log temperature, pH, stirring speed, and other parameters throughout your reaction. With Ava, you can also create profiles to change your set points at specific times or to slowly ramp from one set point to another. Ava is not restricted to Radleys devices, so we can also control third-party devices such as pumps for liquid additions. A key benefit here is letting you run long reactions outside normal working hours or reduce the amount of night shift work for your team. We design our systems to make your manufacture precise and consistent, but also flexible. If you want to do some process development or manufacture at a smaller scale, check out our video on the Maya 4 reaction station. We'd love to discuss your application with you, so please book a demo with one of our experts to find out how we can help accelerate your project.